Subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. We use subject pronouns before the verb. I like chocolate. I is the subject pronoun because it's before the verb. We use object pronouns after the verb or after a preposition. I invited him. Invited is a verb and the pronoun that comes after is an object pronoun, him. I am with him. With is a preposition, so the object after a preposition is an object pronoun, him. Let's see some examples. I see her every day. He helped me. They called us last night. We visited them yesterday. You told me the story. It surprised us. I like her a lot. For more A1 grammar videos and A1 listening practices, please subscribe.